Then moving over here to the Nasdaq did not look nearly as weak. We didn't really have a major resistance in here between 523 and that 538 kind of all-time high range. We're in the middle of this chop, well above the structure that we're looking at on the SPY charts. So there's really nothing above this intermediate resistance, if you even want to call it that. Realistically, I would expect this to wick the all-time high there, and then I am expecting a little bit of a rejection. This still looks like kind of sideways action. Clear high in, big low here. Do we come to this zone, reject again, and kind of get this really wide-ranging sideways chop? Potentially, certainly a possibility. Earnings didn't exactly greenlight any higher moves, in my opinion. This rally has been off of tariffs being paused, moving back to a kind of status quo. Can we get above that even with the geopolitical risk? I don't really see that being the long-term solution. So this is still short-term in my opinion, and I don't expect to get to all-time highs. But can we get there? Absolutely. Momentum stepping back to bullish. RSI getting very close to overbought conditions again. Clean through that RSI SMA. And right now we're sitting at a 68.84. Want to see this at least touch that 70 level before we get a rejection. And then looking at the hourly chart here, just to compare with that SPY chart, you can see we did go a little bit higher, clean above that previous number, went a little bit higher, didn't quite touch the pre-market high post NVIDIA, so we're not quite all the way there yet, but we're still structurally bullish, still staying above that 21 EMA. If the 21 goes here, that's going to be definitely something to watch. Going to be watching that one tomorrow. 528.20 is that level. I think if we get below there, we might see a pullback towards that 55, which is all the way down at 523.40. It's been a big move. We're definitely right at those overbought conditions. And if we start to see this kind of sideways chop, pull back in time, topping pattern, it's probably going to be time to take some profits on this bullish run.